You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is t equals 20. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Combine like terms. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 5 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the t. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 5/1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is t equals 20.